All right, so getting out for a little afternoon ride. We're gonna go up Trail 4 and ride down just from 8th Street in downtown Boise up Trail 4 and ride down one of the trails up there. Super fun trail, great for e-bikes, and get some footage. We'll see how it goes. Super fun in contrast to some of the other areas here because it is very steep, steeper, I guess, and pretty quick. So you got some really fast sections that you can really get going on. And we're still on the Turbo Levo, 2021 Turbo Levo Comp Edition, and the bike's been sweet. Been riding it, jumping it, playing on it a little bit. So this is probably like my maybe 10th or 12th ride on it. And come along for the ride. Check out 8th Street, Trail 4 in downtown Boise. You ready or what, dude? You adjusting your blinker fluid? We had to make a quick pit stop because Andrew's shifter derailleur cable is not working. So we're not bike mechanics really, mostly just bike riders. So that's where this becomes a little bit of a stall point. You ready, Shreddy?
Shreddy to ready.
Shreddy to ready? Dad jokes, dude. Already coming in. Did you put your rubber back in? Nope.
What?
Oh. Good thing you have me here. Oh, heavy. Seems good. Oh, dude.
Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
What'd you forget?
Yes, I want to grab my phone and leave my keys.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Another day on the bad boy. 1 wash, 10 rides. Probably not that great. Oh, we'll send it. Brap. So fun. Hey! And his chain fell off. Chain down. Uh-oh. All right. Climbing on this thing is pretty sweet. Just chug glide along. On boost mode. And just cruising. It's actually a pretty steep little climb too. But the bike is awesome. In boost mode it's definitely faster than my YT was. It just starts gapping a little bit. Not a ton, but it's noticeable. Again, I do wish this thing had like a display. Not wanting to rock my phone on the handlebar on a mount at all. I guess not really necessary. They should just have a built-in little LED dash. Yeah, cruising.
And
Just to show you, this hill's super steep. Just actually like looped out. These things have so much power that they actually end up kind of like wheeling you up the trail. So it gets a little technical on the climb sometimes if it's really steep. This hill is super steep and rocky and sandy. So this is like the best test for this thing. See how she does. Ooh. Mostly just me not trying to loop out. Woo, that's steep. Dang. I was at OMC and it was so sick, just instantaneous acceleration.
There's some things that I would miss, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
It's cool, but being quiet's cool. I mean, that's what
gotta have both.
Most was like no sound and you're just like throttling through.
And you hear the chain slap and it's definitely different.
Yeah.
Is that the MXR or the standard or the initial one?
This is the first one we had. It's made by Alta. I'm not sure.
Okay, cool.
I don't think they make it anymore.
No, they got screwed over by Harley. We'll talk a little bit more about the Turbo Levo. So after some time on the bike, I really like the ergos. It's not as, I guess, slack or aggressive as I might prefer. Maybe a little bit more slack would be cool. I feel like you're a little bit tall on the chassis, and you know, I think it's more of an enduro style setup versus like a, you know, more downhill jump style, slope style ergo. But it jumps good, it's predictable. I feel like it feels like it's light. You know, it's 4 pounds lighter than my YT was, and battery power's sick so far. Components on it, marginal, they're okay. They work good, but they clunk quite a bit after some rides. You know, you gotta do your routine maintenance that I probably don't do enough. But other than that, the chassis feels great. I'm running a medium and I'm 5'11", so I've always preferred slightly smaller chassis, just personal preference. But I think this thing feels really planted. Like when you come into sweeping corners where you got like rollers in or out of them, you got to jump in or out of the corner. It's not super snappy, but it's smooth. It'll follow through on the corners really nice, but it won't like, you can't like just, I don't feel like, maybe it's me, but I feel like the YT, you can rip it through a corner a little bit more, but on this one it's a little bit more difficult to do. And we'll see how far back Andrew is. He's on the other Shimano battery, so you're really seeing the difference in how much we're gapping on boost mode, because he's on boost also. So sick that you can wheelie up a trail. Like, come on. Whole different style of mountain biking, and like it or hate it, it's here to stay. I don't foresee it changing anytime soon. I like normal bikes too, but I mean, these are so sick. I like more e-bikes. Oh. How's it going? Yeah, those are dope.
Yeah.
What are those ones?
This is a Suron
Okay.
electric dirt bike.
So, Suron?
Yeah.
Where do you get those?
Ordered them online
Nice.
from Luna Cycles. They're
Oh,
in
yeah. I've heard of Luna.
Yeah.
That's rad. Yeah, we just saw an Alta and a Zero Cycle come down too. Electric
the
dirt
4
bikes.
Yeah.
So I was like, this is sweet. We got our e-bikes.
Yeah,
Times
like,
are
holy
changing.
shit, those people are flying.
Yeah, we're in really good shape, you know. My jeans.
Yeah.
You're in top gear. Right?
Yeah. This is wide open. Look at this, dude. It's E-Day.
Dude,
Yeah.
everyone, even the freaking fire department.
Yeah.
The fire department had one.
That's
Where are
awesome.
Those ones?
Suron.
Nice.
From Luna Cycles in SoCal. I think they're in SoCal.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think Paul Bass has one of those.
That's what the guy on YouTube rips those at his house.
Yep.
Yeah,
I
and
think
they
he actually lives in Boise or in Meridian.
does he? Yeah, they're bad. They can jump and
Super fun.
do whoops and all sorts of cool stuff.
Allegedly, they can jump. I don't know.
Do they go pretty good?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Super fun. I'm just a beginner. And
What do
so,
they run? Are they like 4 or 5
yeah,
grand?
It was 3,600.
Okay.
But I recently looked and it's now 4,100. Still for a dirt bike.
Yeah, that's great.
Especially for a small person trying to learn.
That's what I should get my wife.
That's what my husband's like.
Better than a 110 trying to figure everything out at 30 something years old, you know?
Yeah,
That's cool.
that's
Yeah,
right.
it's fun.
And dude, we should get more e-toys like that.
Dude.
Start ripping. How long's the battery go for?
Depends on the temperature and the speed and the steep, but usually about 35 miles.
That's nice. Cool. Well, sweet. Enjoy the descent. See ya. So rad. E-bikes, e-power, changing the world. More fun, more miles, for less work. This hill is probably the steepest one on this trail, right? I didn't even make it up without putting my foot down last time. Do you want me to follow you up it?
Yeah.
Alright, no foot down. See what you got. I didn't make it last time. Yeah, line selection is key, especially on part 2. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. All right, where am I going? Oh, oh my, ah! Holy cow. All right, well, 1 foot down. Oh! Dude, it's so hard.
Because it's so rich.
What? Oh my gosh. I believe there's people that make it up this on non-e-bikes. Yeah. What? Oh. Definitely rider air, not bike. Almost. Till next time. It'll be fun to go down though. So yeah, I mean, this thing's a savage climber. The guy riding it, not very skilled, but bike, exceptional. Ah. Beautiful day. Boise foothills. Shameless plug, if you guys are looking to move to Boise, Idaho, I'm a real estate agent out here. Deal with people transitioning, investing, buy, sell, multi-units, 1031s, whatever you want. I can help you with when it comes to property out here. And yeah, I've been out here myself since California, moving from California about almost 6 years ago now. So, epic place to live. All right, Trail 4 on an e-bike.
Trail 4 with Ginger 969.
Andrew Tellor 5252.
No, it's actually ATE now.
AT bike. Okay, bud.
Go.
Get a little warmed up here. steep route. Woo! Yeah. A little bit slippery out here on that loose dirt. Guess we're just gonna do one run all the way down. Don't judge my line selections, they're pretty bad. Dirt ball. Yeah. He's still there, so still good. Brakes are great. Woo. Nice and sharp. That was a nice sharp turn. So I kind of planted her in there. Yeah. Picking those lines as they come. Probably sketchy. Double. Like he's still there. Oh, I could have tripled that one. That was so gnarly.
My goggles went on. Be careful on this section.
Yeah, we'll just go chill. Oh, Andrew, to the line. Thank you. Woo. So fun. Oh, that was pretty steep. That was cool.